Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're unpacking the top 8 manufacturing trends set to redefine 2022. We'll be taking a hard look at how the manufacturing industry is facing significant changes, from shifts in supply chain strategies to the adoption of advanced tech. Stick around to gain insights on how these trends could shape your competitiveness in the manufacturing sector. Welcome to today's episode where we explore reshoring. Due to persistent supply chain challenges and tariff wars, a rising number of businesses are relocating operations from overseas. This shift is revolutionizing supply chain and inventory management processes, making organizations more resilient. Next, let's discuss the major transformations in inventory management. The conventional just-in-time inventory model is becoming a liability due to supply chain delays. In response, manufacturers are maintaining safety stocks and progressing in digital supply networks and analytics to better manage future shortages. The evolution of recruitment strategies is another topic we'll cover. The pandemic has amplified the labor shortage problem, forcing manufacturers to innovate. Practices such as offering referral bonuses, recruiting from hard-hit sectors like hospitality, and adding workplace flexibility are being employed to attract a diverse workforce. Now, let's talk about exciting tech advancements like automation and AI technologies, like hyperautomation, autonomic systems, and generative design are transforming manufacturing floors into more efficient and reliable environments. There's also the rise of the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, and predictive processes. These technologies are becoming standard as manufacturers aim to minimize downtime and optimize operations through smart factories. We'll also cover the rise of environmental, social, and governance, or ESG, investments. Manufacturers are becoming more environmentally accountable and transparent about their ESG initiatives, preparing for more stringent future regulations. Cybersecurity is another critical trend on our list. With increased connectivity between operational processes and information technology, protecting against cyber attacks and boosting system resiliency is more critical than ever. Lastly, we'll discuss asset operations management. This approach aids manufacturers in managing global competitiveness, scaling businesses, and upskilling employees by integrating technician services, data, and operational blueprints. As we gaze into 2022, these trends underline a shift towards more automation, accountability, and security in manufacturing. Manufacturers will need innovative thinking and modern systems to navigate these changes effectively. Thank you for joining us today. We've covered key trends in reshoring, inventory management, recruitment strategies, tech advancements, the Industrial Internet of Things, ESG investments, cybersecurity, and asset operations management. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep innovating and stay ahead of the curve.